So this is what the back looks like.
looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but pretty much. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So, you want your hair to look like mine. What could I have possibly used? I mean, what could I have possibly used? What hairstyles do I do the most on my channel? If you're thinking crochet, then you guessed it. So, I've actually done this hairstyle before. And you're like, wait, what? Yeah, I have. So, click on the video at the top. It should pop up one of my cards. And I did the same hairstyle in the color blonde. So, because I used up all the red, I had some left over of the blonde that I did a while back. And the hair that I used is by, that was smooth, by Bobbi Boss. And I used the color T1B/BUG, so burgundy. And I used burgundy as well on its own. That's what I mean. So I used burgundy, and then I also bought this another color T1B/BUG. So that will give me the ombre effect. I used 1 pack of burgundy. I used 1 pack of burgundy, and then I used a pack and a half of the T1B/BUG, and then at the top of my hair I used T1B/BUG in this size. So altogether I used about 3 packs of hair. I did not do more than that. If you want your hair to be bigger than mine, by all means,
go ham.
Why not? You're home. If you mess it up, start over again. So that is what I did. And the front of my hair, I did, what you call this, invisible method. That was what I did as well. I did cut it a bit shorter so that I have like layers, so it frames my face better. And I like the color because some parts are like really like just like one strand of like one color, and then other parts it's like 2 gradients. And my braiding method, I just braided my hair back. That's it. I had like 6 braids going back, and that was it. When I crocheted, it took me maybe like 3.5 to 4 hours to do, because I'm slow when it comes to doing my hair. I like to take my time so that it lasts. What I want you guys to guess is, how long do you think I've had this hair for? A week? 2 weeks? A month? 2 months? So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any more questions, I will surely answer them. If you guys have any video ideas, or maybe something I've not done and you're like, why haven't you given us this type of video? I mean, your channel is about hair and beauty. Like, Dara, what are you doing? Then comment down below, and I will respond back to you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, good evening, whatever time you may be watching this, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. And to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Alright then.